Beauty, that's the entrance. Here, how are we gonna? A little bit of a tour. That's my room. The restaurant. You can see that one. Hello everyone, welcome back into another vlog. Today I want to show you the best and the most beautiful place in Uluwatu Bali that you should definitely visit. It is the first time I'm coming here and I just fall in love, so I highly recommend you to come to this place, spend some time here, and yeah, if you want to see how it looks like, come follow me in today's vlog. Check it out. Oh, it's like this. Okay. This is my room. Hello everyone, welcome into another vlog. It is my birthday vlog series actually, but in today's vlog I just want to share with you a place in Uluwatu that you should visit. It is actually really beautiful. It is my first time here and I love being here, and you should definitely come because totally it's a dream place. You wake up with the oceans, with the sounds of the oceans, and it's just so peaceful, and I do highly recommend you to visit this place. And I'm gonna show you around this place. I'm gonna stay here for a few days though. Since today is my birthday week, I want to give a present to myself. That's why I come here. Just gonna get out a bit of Canggu, because Canggu, if you live in Bali, Canggu is very crowded. Everyone try to live in Canggu. So if you want to find something different, I highly recommend you to come to Uluwatu and stay in this place, because this place is not only beautiful but they offer some discounts, so that's not gonna be so expensive. And yeah, let's check out what they have here. Hey guys, so I want to give you a little bit of a tour of this place. This is the restaurant. As you can see, that's my room. The view of the oceans up there. And in the restaurant, you can order anything. Oh my god, it's so beautiful, isn't it? This one with the view. This is the room actually. On that corner is my room. So these are the rooms. That's my room. This is all the views that you can see. That's the restaurant that I showed you. Something that I need to do with. Look at this. This is quite hot during this time, but oh. Like this is literally when you wake up you see this ocean. Magically. Open the window and you're gonna see the ocean. And it's so peaceful. Oh my god, I really love being here. And see the restaurants over there. And down there is another cafe, Dream House. So beautiful, so beautiful. And sit here and see the oceans in another place. This is the toilet, public toilet, and this is the stairs that connected to my room. When you walk from this restaurant, we can go through this. There's another seat here that you can still sit. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, look at this. Now I'm hungry, I want to order some food. So let's see what they have here. It is 12 a.m. already, so I would like to order some food. This is the menu. Let's see what they have here. So this is the menu. As you can see, you can order anything here. So I will go with vegan. What they have, they have sweet things, smoothies, cocktails, young coconut. That's it. So actually, you can choose to stay in Vinyan. They have a dream house, like ocean dream house as well. But I don't know, I just find this place is so beautiful, and so I decided to stay here. And the things that you can do here is just to surround it, like just to connect to the nature, to the ocean. You can do surfing, you can just lay down on the beach, you can meditate, you can just spend time with yourself or your friends. They have restaurants here, very beautiful. They have a very aesthetic decorations. As you can see, the place where I live now, everything is beautiful. When you wake up, everything is beautiful. Blue ocean, blue sky, greens everywhere, flowers right next. It's just so beautiful, you know, it's so peaceful here. And so it's such a dream house, and I'm just so grateful to be here. Okay. Oh, it's beautiful. That's actually the Dreamsea. Wash your feet. No, cutie. Here. Oh, wow. Good morning. And actually, this is over there. So that's the house. Looks really beautiful though. And Dreamsea is over there. That's another house. City. She's following. I don't know what is that, but seems like, as you can see, that one. There's people swimming. Very beautiful. There's another part. That's the houses. Wow. There's a ladder. Go up there. I don't know what is that, but anyway, it's just interesting. So many trucks. Oh my god, look at so much trucks here. I think because of the... Alright everyone, that's all the vlog for today. I hope you like it. If yes, don't forget to subscribe so that I can create more other content in the future, and follow me on Instagram. It's Celia Bosco with 2O to get more connected. I'll see you next time. Bye!